I'm very happy to announce this course for the metallurgy gate aspirants because for this engineering branch, it's very rare to find such a course. It is really very rare. And now we are introducing this course for the metallurgy branch, but in near future, we will launch it for other branches too. So through this video, we will going to introduce pedagogy related to this concept and all the features which are the part of this. This video will clear your all questions regarding this course. In general, how we approach any question or how we learn any new topic, we used to do it in 5 different steps, right? We used to start with the theory, thoroughly learning the concept, then jumps to its numerical, and then gradually as our confidence build up, we try to solve its questions, and we got the answers, right? We all are using same method, but the disadvantage of this is like sometimes it may happen that we have prepared all the concepts, did so much hard work, but when we read the question based on the same concept that we have already learned, we are like stuck, like nothing we have prepared. Even sometimes super confused that even we cannot identify the topic from where which this question is asked. Okay, like let me explain more. It may happen that we are regularly revising the formula and giving our best, but at the right moment we are confused that whether square term is inversely proportional or directly proportional and many such issues, right? I think you can feel my point. It's very common and we can overcome this glitch if we do little smart work with hard work. In this whole method, our weaknesses were at this step number 4, right? Understanding the question. So why not we start with this our weakness? General thing which happens with each and every student. Like we start to prepare for the exam, but as a student we think that, oh, this is the very easy topic, so they are not going to ask this in the exam. Then at the another topic we think like, oh, this is the super tough, so we omits that thing, and at the end how much we prepare, very tiny syllabus, right? And where the questions comes, very different from our preparation, right? We have already faced this situation. So why not we start or we approach very differently? That is why we have introduced this LCTQ concept. It's like once we have background about our topic, so why not we nucleate our thinking process at the location of the questions. मतलब एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ लिया है कॉलेज में और पहले एग्ज़ाम के लिए और एनीवेयर एल्स, पर जब क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं तो बिल्कुल आउट ऑफ सिलेबस लग रहा है, तो हम ये गैप को ज्वाइन करेंगे यूजिंग दिस मेथड. मतलब हम प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम आवर क्वेश्चंस. Now you are thinking that it's like our old school Tikram, right? We will just memorize past 10 to 15-year questions and that's all. We are done with the preparation. But no, our approach is not like this too. It's purely conceptual and your basics will going to clear simultaneously. Okay, let's take an example. For instance, this is the question regarding the stress strain curve. Okay, now we will not just learn this question and not just memorize the formula for this particular topic, but or for particular questions, but we will try to understand its all related concept. लाइक वी आर डूइंग इन रूट कॉज एनालिसिस, इन फेलियर एनालिसिस. तो आप सबको याद ही होगा, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, फेलियर से स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड देन उसकी रूट का मतलब कोज का जो रूट है वहाँ तक का सब में एनालिसिस करते हैं. सिमिलरली वी विल स्टार्ट विद पिकिंग अ क्वेश्चन एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड होल कॉन्सेप्ट as well as other related concepts. So ultimately we will have fortified question related concepts and not the concepts at the end. So from this just one question we will learn whole bunch of the concepts. Means after learning this just one question we will be master in this particular topic. कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन पूछिए, कोई भी फॉर्मूले हो उससे रिलेटेड, यू नो ऑल. सो आपका प्रिपरेशन टाइम एज वेल एज एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का टाइम बहुत कम हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर फैमिलियर विद द क्वेश्चन एज वेल एज उसको कैसे अप्रोच करना है. वी आर अश्योरिंग यू दैट आवर क्वेश्चंस विल बी क्वालिटेटिव इंस्टेड ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव. एक लेक्चर में भले ही एक क्वेश्चन हो, नो इशू एट ऑल, पर वो पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. इनफैक्ट ऐसे सिलेक्टिव क्वेश्चन ही होंगे जिससे धीरे धीरे पूरा कोर्स कवर हो जाएगा. Ultimately, we want answer along with the whole questions. So instead of starting with the theory of the topic, we will start with an understanding the questions. Also, our all tutor will be expert in that particular subjects. So don't worry about the quality of the teaching. In our all lectures, your concepts will be refreshed, revised, and by chance you only partially know that concept, then it will going to fully clear after the attending the lecture. और ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक ही टाइप का और एक ही टॉपिक का क्वेश्चन बार बार रिपीट हो. बस एक बार पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक हो जाए देन विल मूव टू नेक्स्ट. इट मीन्स वर्सिटैलिटी होगी क्वेश्चंस में. Each and every concept with some short tricks or something which makes it easy to understand or easy to remember. After attending the lecture, your concept will be very lucid. So to discrepancy-free education, here recorded video will be there. You can watch it, learn through it anytime and anywhere. So coaching तक जाने में issue है due to your academics or it far from your area or whatever else, तो वो भी clear हो जाएगा. Plus ये जो lectures हैं उसका एक fixed schedule होगा, just like your normal coaching class. But benefit ये होगा कि after streaming a video, it will remain online 24/7. मतलब अगर आपको कभी भी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक रिवाइज करना है, उसमें पोज करके कुछ नोट्स बनाने हैं, then you can do it at your place and at your pace. Now as a freshers, you have question that will it useful to me? Then definitely yes. If you have once studied your subject thoroughly in your exams or in your colleges or anywhere else, so this will be a exam centric revision of the concept and will boost your score. Even once you will be habituated with this, then you can easily crack any other exam questions, even placement exams too. But if you doubt your basics, then go through classroom teaching. So what we are promising in this whole course, mainly जो teaching language होगी, that will be English. Means just like I am speaking right now, English plus Hindi. When it required to clear concepts, हम हिंदी यूज़ करेंगे. Our all lectures will be from India's top faculties. Also this going to be well structured course. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अभी कुछ topic then कुछ और topic and then वापस वही topic. So systematically and sequentially all your concepts will be cleared. Some noticeable feature of this LCTQ course is it will available online 24/7 till your GATE exam. And best part of this is you can prepare it anywhere, even from your home in this COVID-19 like situation. You can review and practice it anytime, evaluate and check your improvements, and by chance if you have any doubt then you can interact with subject expert.